The dog life. Yo, Instagram, bro. Hey, you got anything to say, Alex?
Go. Do it.
This guy is the general of the special forces, the Russian special forces, right here.
Yeah,
And he's my cousin.
Those are
He's my cousin.
Eric's special forces dog. And this is a future special attack dog. And these are the nuclear power plant security.
We drink IPA. Nothing but the best at Uncle Gus's.
We're ready to train on a Saturday. Out of, like I told you last time, out.
Lost.
Jack him up.
Lost.
You don't want it out after all that.
Lost. We walking. We walking. Down. Good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Can you do me a favor and go get the RGC sleeve, the chicken sleeve?
That's which one?
The the one with the grease.
Good boy.
That was a good bite. Out him. As soon as he leaves, as soon as he leaves Grim, you out him. There you go. Good work him, Troy. Flank his ass. That's what this for. Flank him. There you go. There you go. There you go. Piss him off. There you go.
Good boy.
There you go.
Good boy.
You woke him up. He might be 10 months old.
Good boy.
Give it to him. He reacted awesome. Okay, give him. Yeah. Yeah, he knows now. to watch his back. He knows to watch his back now, boy. He's learning how to deal with the post too. Bro, you know what it is to be restrained? 12 inches of bite chain. When you want to fight, you can't. That messes with your mind.
Good. Good boy. Boss.
Give it to him. Give it to him.
Boss. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, what? Yeah. Good boy. Hey. Good boy. Yeah. Hey, what? Yeah. Good boy. Hey, what?
Circle to your left. Circle to your left.
Go. Boss.
Oh, he didn't bite the bite part.
Go.
There you go.
Yeah. Boss. Good boss. Boss.
Give it to him, Troy.
Yeah. Good boy.
Okay, he's done.
Still.
There you go.
Good boss.
There you go. Bite pressure. Ooh, that looks like a cruncher. That looks like a cruncher. That looks like a cruncher.
Better in?
Good girl. Good boss. Yeah. Hey, walk it. Hey, walk.
All we're looking for here is bite pressure, hard biting, confidence building. She's only 8 months old.
Better in? Boss. Yeah.
And she's got a super hard bite, as you can see.
Good girl.
Nice. You see, she's freaking biting hard and she's punching. That's what we're looking for.
Forward. Let her in.
And her cardio in this heat is getting good. Her cardio in the heat is like 90 something. Nice. Go, Sega. Nice. Good job, Alex, with a handle buddy. Atta girl. Start backing up, Alex. There you go.
Boss.
Damn, nice hit.
Let her in.
Boss.
There you go.
Pull hard.
Nice.
Let her in.
Nice. Good so. Good so. Fast. Good so.
Good girl. Let her in.
Boss.
8 months. 8 months old. Fighting like a freaking 2-year-old.
Fade in her strength.
Well, there's like 4, 5, 6 bites in the heat.
Good girl. Kick. Oh, yeah. Boss. Good girl. Boss.
Go up and pet her. Go up and pet her. Pat her across the shoulders, Alex. Motivate her to bite, Alex.
Pull hard. Let her in.
She's a truck,
She's
bro.
getting tired.
Boss.
Troy, go get him.
Kick. Boss. Good girl. Boss. Good girl.
Let her go deep.
Boss. Good girl.
Good girl, Shiro.
Boss. Oh, yeah. Boss. Good girl.
Boss.
Good girl. Boss. Yeah, mama. Good girl. Kick. Yeah. She didn't get it. Just nicked me. Sorry. You good?
She drew blood. Like Rambo First Blood.
Boss.
Yeah, give it to her. next round will be better.
Girl, Sarah. Good girl, mama. Pass. Pull hard, pull hard, pull hard. Let her in. Pass. Pass. Good girl, mama. She gotta get deep. Replace it. Come on. That's what it's all about. Go. 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 Pass. Go. Good girl. Go deep first, Troy. Pass. 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 Good girl. Pull, 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 pull. Let her in. Go. Good girl. Let her in. Ah, good girl. And pump her up manually, like pet her. And make sure she gets used to you. Make sure she gets used to you when you're pumping. Even no bite. Okay. We walk. Have her chase her. We walk. Let's go. Go. Pass off. Pass off. Pass that man. Pass off. Sell it. Take on a carrot. Just leave it alone. Girl, mama. House. House. Kick it out. House. House. Now forward. Pass off. Shit, man. Shit, man. Pass off, baby. Pass off. Watch. Watch. Watch him. Yeah, still it. Pass off. Pass off. Pass off. Yeah. Hey. Pass off. Pass off. Pass off. Yes. Pass. Pass. Ah. Ah, good girl. Pass. Good girl, Nova. Good girl. Pass. Ah, good. Pass. Ah. Pull hard, pull hard, pull hard. Let her in. Pass off. Pass off.
Okay, put closer to you.
Sell it.
She got a good bite, huh?
Yeah.
Like a little pocket rocket. Yeah, Belgian, bro. Belgian shepherds are badass. Yeah.
Sell it.
That's it, Troy. That's it, Troy.
Ready? That's off. Still it.
Orlick and Eric. Eric Perryman. From New York, upstate New York, not New York City. Buffalo Bills fan. Hey, is Buffalo gonna win the AFC East this year?
Kicking all asses.
They're gonna win the NFC too?
Everything.
Super Bowl?
We're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do a flea, but we're gonna make like the price order.
Yep.
Okay, it's getting a little tired.
They got a new stadium.
Still it. Get that man. Ah. 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 Still it.
He launched.
That's all. Yeah, good girl, mama. Still it. Ah. Yeah. Ah.
Pull hard, pull hard. Let her in.
Still it.
Orlick. If you ain't careful, he'll lick the life out of you. And I'm not talking in a nice way. Orlick.
It's all about the Bills, baby.
It's a little hot today, ain't it?
It's hot, Jeff.
Yeah, baby.